Hello, my name is Gio, and today I will be showing you an AR app I've been working on with using Reality Composer and RealityKit. So right now you can see I'm on viewcontroller.swift in xcode, and this project is about having the Earth spinning and a robot walking with a start button. So right now let's look at the project. That is the Reality Composer file, and as you can see, here is the Earth, here is the robot, here's the button, start button. So that's basically an idea you'll get. So we have Reality Composer open. There's also Reality Composer for iPad, but I chose to do it here. So let's see. These are called behaviors, as you can see right now. So these behaviors, they're basically notifications that will tell you, hey, we're going to do this on this kind of object. So if we were going to create one, here it is how you can do it. You can do any of these, or if you don't like them, then just press custom. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm on Start Earth. So what this behavior is known as notification. Basically, it's about the Earth. What's going to do. So all of these three behaviors are custom. So I have this trigger right here, so when you tap the start button, basically it's gonna hide both the start button and the robot for starting for 1 second, and it's gonna show the Earth for 1 second also. So let's actually run it right now. See, that's how it's going to look like affected objects. As you can see, that's how they went away. And let's see, that's how it's going to show, kind of like that. And here's how it spins. There we go. Gotta move it up, and there we go. So as you can see, let's press that, and there you go, it's actually spinning. So it's for 14 seconds, and yeah. But you get the idea, it's just spin out around for 14 seconds. So this Robo Start also right here is for the robot. Oh yes, and I also forgot something right here. So what you see here is Robo Motion. That's basically this whole objects you see here, that's called a scene right now. So this Robo Motion, that's the scene. And yeah. So what else? So Robo Start, all of these are custom, as I say again, and the trigger is going to be a notification as called Robo Start. It's going to show the robot, and it's going to show it for 2 seconds. So that's how it's going to appear, like that. And usdz animation, that's for the animation. So this robot, I got it from Apple, augmented reality developer, and as you can see, it already comes with an animation, so it's right there, of course. So let's see, that's how the animation does it. As you can see, it moved its head, it walks robot. We can't not edit this duration because that's already the duration that Apple has made. So this move, rotate, scale to is going to move the object, of course, for 2 seconds. And you see that other robot, that's how far it's going to move. So let's run it. Like that. So what else is it going to show? Well, let's see. It's going to also show the button. So when we press the button, it's going to show the Earth. So let's see how it does that. It just pops up like that. But I prefer, yeah, like that. And the last one, the final one, hide at start. What it's going to do is exactly when the scene starts, it's automatically going to hide all the objects for like 0 seconds, and then it's going to start the robot. So it goes from here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So that's what it does. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the code here. So here we have variable robo anchor, and with the Roboman and Robo Motion, how we talked about earlier. And I put both of them before the view controller and after the view controller class. And as you can see, we already have this AR view outlet. It already comes with augmented reality RealityKit. But yeah, so we also see here robot anchor. It's gonna have the Roboman. It's gonna load the Robomotion, and the Robo anchor is gonna generate collision shapes. And how it's gonna generate is we have this spool statement right here, and we have AR view already. It's the view that we see. .scene, .anchors, .append. It's gonna also append. Basically, it means it's gonna add robot anchor. So this last line, this function is the button right here. That button right there is connected to this function right here called start experience. And we have robo anchor .notifications, as I told you earlier, and with robo start, and it's gonna post it. Yeah. So now we're gonna also view main.storyboard, the last thing. As you can see, I just said it, start button connected with the start experience function. And we have also our code right here. Hello, my name is Gila, and today I'll be showing you an AR app. So this app is basically also with Reality Composer used with it. So this app will show a robot, a earth, and a start button. So let's start. So we just move around the iPad. When we kind of see it, we just press start. So keep moving it around. As you can see, there it is. We cut our position. Now it shows start. Press it. There you go. So this is basically turning. It's simple. You can do it over and over again. Let's wait for the earth to stop, and we can do it once more just for the look of it. So there we go. Press start. There's a robot. And as you can see, it didn't really move all the way, but that's okay. We can just press start again. And the earth starts moving and everything just deleted. Alright. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe.